this is going. And honestly, I'm scared for myself. Hey! I'm back. I'm still really awkward, but I'm back and better than ever. That was cringy. I regret that a lot. But I'm excited to be back. I have been on the couch for the past week. Very, very productive. But I finally resemble a human. I haven't looked like a human in 2 weeks. And that's okay. But today is not about my face. I know, shocking, right? So I am not a very patient person, but I like to have my nails done, and I think you know where this is going. And honestly, I'm scared for myself. But I love having my nails done. They hadn't been done since like January. It's been a while. But there's so much stuff I don't like about getting my nails done. Like, stupid nap. But it won't leave me alone. It's harassing me. But I don't like to wait an hour before I get waited on or before my service starts. And then it's a whole nother hour. Sometimes I have to wait 2 hours before I get my nails done. Like, that's a long time. I'm not patient like that. It's hard for me. I think I've had too much coffee, which is also why my eyeliner is too thick because, you know, that caffeine handshake. But I went on Amazon and I ordered a buttload of stuff and I'm so excited. And I also have this loose glitter. Oh, it's shaking out the bag. Oh, okay, that's fun. There's glitter all over everything anyways, but I thought these would be cute. I've got some reference pictures. I'm going to put them who knows where. Who knows where they're going to go. But I found this glitter eyeshadow. I figured I could do something with that. But I'm going to try to do acrylics on my own nails today. And like I said before, I'm scared. Like, I've got the drill, the UV light, all the things. And I'm not a professional at all. This should be very, very fun. So I spared y'all the footage of my, evidence of my right hand because it was very, very bad. But I am done. And they look... It looks like the work of a child. This ain't cute. The one thing I did... Oh, there is a fuzz stuck in my nail. Wonderful. The one thing that I managed to do is mostly they're the same length, and I don't know how I managed that. Like, I didn't even, like, measure them against each other like I was supposed to. But no. They're lumpy. They're bumpy. They are so uneven. Like, look at this. This is so bad. Like, I wouldn't pay anybody to do this. Like, if I went to a salon and my nails looked like this by the time they were done, I would cry. I would actually cry. But again, I'm not a professional, and it stopped raining, so that's wonderful. But I'm probably going to take these off later today and try again, because now I think, I'm not going to say I know what I'm doing, because I did, clearly I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to try again. I might try again tomorrow. But I had fun. And I don't think I picked the best color, because, like, this looks like I poured milk on my fingers, and that's not a cute look. But I did it.